Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Tennessee on his SR-447hpc2. The little firecracker for Stryker's line. Not much bigger than the palm of your hand, but packs a punch. We got the tune alignment on this one and the Toshiba voltage regulator for you, James. That voltage regulator is going to keep everything running nice and cool. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down. I'll roll it up. 15 all the way up. Show you average power swing. So 45 bird. 100 watt slug in the peak. 90 peak. Alright James, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. My longtime friend. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.